Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat ki bakong san menta ka singi kilong tua ka kenro office na ka jing ther ulaba. Kentu ka GSU ya Khubor district ban tokit benia ahalor ka jing sya penyap ka Samla. Play office ka ambulance operators union hatura. Ban dakabam temet kershan usamla pendap lang bat ka company ya kinong pang TV. Bat mentai ni apai shiki Khubor ki bakam benia. Nakajing ther ulaba hakamit pratarik Nailur ka kenro ka badan marsenda ka building juga treasury bat ka Jylla Sainik welfare office kala tua bat penjulor ka tu ka ni teli ki kamera ha ki te ki office. Kat kum ki jing tip na ki officer ki laong kani ka kenro kala tua ha ka janmit nakajing ther jur ulaba. La pentip sa Khubor ki bapet ki yeng mau sorkar ban wan jengo bat ai ka report la kini ki kamera ki dang long ne em ki bas scam ki nong tre ban keta ha kini ki sngi ban wan.
Okay, na kalian ka office kala pentip Asia ka management jong ka disaster management ni.
Ang la pentip apa kali ka group ka disaster management la pentip ang también apa peduli lawan ni staff
Antara
lawan district area yang ta apa kali ka jong ka dbmnTv jong ka disaster management tu ang ba itu an budget sibuk arbiji itu an ki option apa peduli apa mudah itu apa municipal project itu arbiji ka ni buat district ka kedai apa sini
Kebuka jiklam kani ketika dah rem ne kadon ka ek
jadi film Thai dia nak ni nga kilo masjid ni lah song senjor hit kilo masjid kani kandok muslim Thai kala rin de makanong ikaw slope hik area kanong slope masjid tang si ja ka slap tang kam jur slap tang ka anu ka song jam kando kala pintuan o ka kandok badan barin betul kaji itu juga kalau namar sedin ke kini ke building yang kini ke kendo along jam lupa sehibun sekiding bun lagi dia itu mak naik kau lagi dia kibujong bagi bakam yar lagi branches tu telong in future ada kah bansap yang te tiang yok kelan kiding kena apa hap building kita kelak ban cost major damage ke building kini kiding lebih if possible dari bancu upload ini kita berfight ne ban kacung apa kini ka ki export di wan da ki wan inspect bentai penderkom kila ban ot nos nanti kiding na po kenraine kila ban su ot na jirong kin ma kenwa di branches perang bagan dum kya tan keding dum kan sepo ini ka bilik bahaba ada bakam scam kamar wa in future kana makan dum dasi sliding ka
kini ka kadro mo munta ka kadus na metra la karta
ki kata tengam tu idea mo nak untuk supaya kita sudah nak mau itu.
Kinong yalam ka seng Samla pule Garo Students Union GSU haka khandai tarik Nailur kila kentui Khubor district is Garo Hills ban tokit bat bishar benia halor ka jingsha penyap ka Samla haka khatpra tarik Naitung da usamla barim ubala pom yap yaka da ka waj bno. Nakaliang ki office jong DC bat SP kilaya tho ba ki jing tokit kidang ya bet shaprang bat amla ban penbena perthei ya ki jinat jong ki jing tokit UDC ulaong ula kentu ya USP bat ki officer ka social welfare bat letting ya ki no ki officer ki ba letting ya kani kakam UDC ula kentu ya kinong yalam ka GSU ban pentip ya kane hakibah yeng hasem jong kani ka kena bat ula betha bakin wan ya kendo ya u markhmat ban ya perkhat kumno ban ya rap ya kane ka long ye
kita deputy commissioner ko bloga kata ribaha nija Julai ni cice tariko cini logapa let kambe je sama jan Bosco ko atani gamsa pege pajangi ko ganana hacin bini inquiry report ko magisterial inquiry report ko bila kata cenga dalo ribaha mijanti cenga inquiry report ko malawa ku jama cenga Khubor ai niachan jan yani in charge ungiachan biro cenga pon kaimna Khubor ataha unomta cenga Shillong ungiachan aro cenga home minister ko gronari mana wa inquiry report to phangsa ke gronari mana cenga binara ko kai cenga tora inquiry report de angni kita de inquiry de batata ha deputy commissioner ji watap jo le dia akan sa ni kaman Home Minister ko gora lagi lemna ni mandirang ko phone ka emna nasung Deputy Commissioner si yang ko aro report ko rai bone watatura inquiry report ko nade nasung letter of submit ka bo letter submit ka ode nasung rataman gen ne ani gaman letter ko submit ka ta letter submit ka dari zaman no cina letter kan sa ko latta uno dia cina inquiry report ko na manjawa daude investigation ko kuinga ini kemen nasul ratna manjo ane dia lekha ose akan sakata ini kemen cunga bija rally dong ini kemen ini sumai raho cunga naibana biko grona matajo ini jamano rally matutali jamano dibahana kamrani matutali jamano cunga taklo biko grona ribaon dia lekha akan sakata investigation dongkuai ini kemen dalo jen nijau magisi ko malacem hukum nami kakek donge dia cumata ya mande jen biko den gepa mande ungchum mata ne rema mankuja orang oba investigate kakuya ne dia kana uni gemen investigate kakuya ni gemen report ko rat kuna manjawa ne dia cina akan cakatan tiba dia cina akan rata inquiry kali kita de ya bisa tangku kencem ya bisa dalo tangku kencem sijawacem ne dia anthan akan deputy commissioner aro zamano dia SP
Kaseng jong kinong penyat kali kinong pang West Garo Hills Ambulance Operators Union kalapli ya ka office trekam hatura ban yarap ya kilong ying ban tip tikna ya ka jingdon ki ambulans hakapor ba kidon kam kerki ban kit ya kinong pang syaki jaka sumar. Uwan jang CH marak unong ay buit kani kaseng ulapli ya kani ka office kabala trekam mardor. Yaman takum ni useng rak CH moment GS ulayat ho. Kidan khatsan teli ki ambulans jong ki dekhot kani ka seng ki balapan kre ban ai ki jing shakri shakinong pang. Kini ki ambulans ki kloy ban kit ya kinong pang arpusau kenta nyau sngi na West Garo Hills sa Shillong, Guwahati, Golpara bat kiwe ki jaka sumar. Useng rak ulayat huru shen kani ka seng kan penlong ya ki ketem ai snam sbun blood donation camps ban yarap ikinong pang ki badan kam kerki ban pelat em yaki. Hakani ka sngi ple ya ka office la penlong ru ya ka jingjit ikinong kit kam bathamai ki ba kentup ya ubamekson ke sangma president sengrak CH moment general secretary bat ki wei pat shiphongut kinong kit kam bat ki dekhot ka isi.
Kalau sini ya pakar ko ini jaksi ribbon ratani ko One, two, three.
Yan West Garo Hills Ambulance Operators Union ni ambulance from J Mangan ambulance ko nangin sim na simang yes screen number naking ko contact at nakta manay kino ya kon September chat hazal gni cover ponga somber saldi bako office ko pra kangjok civil hospital sepango yani office te ambulance te ini kemen je rakaba ambulance ko nangin mobile je rakaba biya kona bana simang contact number ang nakta manay kino
Ka Office District Tuberculosis Ribhoy ka khandai tarik Nailur kala penlong ya ka program rakhe ya ka jingdap laisnam ka Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan ha Civil Hospital Nongpo. Hakani ka sngi usamla pendap lang wa lang ula shim ya ka jingkit kli ban ting khon adopt laingut kinong pang TB daga bakershan jingbam taimet nutritional food basket na ka banta hendriu nai. Ulasa menta kasngi yaki marbam shiki nongpang hakani kalumpung kabala long ha Civil Hospital Nongpo. Nalor uni usamla kan Nezone Pipes and Structure and NTL Steels Company kabala judan benta hakani kakam bala tip kumki Nikshay Mitra kinong tingkhon adoption yaki nongpang TB menta kasngi kilapen biang yaki jingbam taimet nutritional food basket syaki shipongwat kinong pang TB ki badang don hapadeng ki jing sumar. Hakani kasngi layadan lang ke District Medical and Health Officer Ribhoy ke AR Marak Dr. E. Kalwing, District Tuberculosis Ribhoy District, ki manager jangkate ke company usamla pendap lang walang ubalong kum unikshe mitra bat kiwe. Haus nam ar puar, kidan hadu saus pa khat sangut kinong pang TB bat layo jingerap tang ar pulai ngut. Haus nam ar pulai kidan sanspa andri ngut kinong pang bat layo banyarap shispa sa phowe ngut. Haus nam ar pusau kidan saus pa ar pusan ngut kinong pang bat layo banyarap ar spa ar phongut. Bat hau news nam ar pusan kidan lai spa khat sau ngut kinong pang bat layo banyarap marbam hadu ar spa khat nyongut.
Karena ngalakongu banyarap katu kat nengut ngam syabtip jia kasaga Peran Menteri TB Muk Bharat Abhiyan Handrai habang pule ya kay kanay katibimuk Bharat habang apay kaday ka way na ki campaign ka balatik initiative na ka sarkar India ngadon ka mansim manirap pipi mapiru manirap dalade nying support pipi daki jingbang mapiru tolong ki Batista bandi bha ki dawai banle bha haking kisem ki jongpi minat thok tik patik kumbagi doktor ki ong pendap ya ki dus tik patik kawai bangakwa bankhot ya werlang ru bamangi ki pai ba kumba ka ke campaign jongka sarkar India ban eliminate ya ka jingpang TB hadu usnam arjar lai pol ranga maklamu doktor dongin ya trelang ngaya werlang ya pi ki samla ki baklang ka dong riboy ki samla ki badon mensim banyarap ya ki papang TB ki basyam ya kana jimpang ki don ki beduk ki basyam ki jing ha jing im ha ki ying ki sam ki jongki ngakhot la ya go pi ki samla dongin kener ki kti ngindon ka mensim banyarap lem ya ki pra mensim jongi ki bamat ya kana ki jimpang ki bamayale ya kana jimpang da bangin support ki langba ka jingbam kibala ban yo saisen ya jingkeman ha king kasam ka jongki ki jingpu sam ki ha king kisam ka jongki dai ka jing ya snok tilang ka jongi lang baro hapo ka temri boy kum ki samla ki rirong ba ki nong trekam lajong ki nong sengkam lajong ngakhot ya pi ngawer pi bingin support lang ya ki basyam ya ki jing ki basyo ya ka jingpang TV ngakarpat pi lang ba ka social media Sumbah ki prasamla banwan
Menteri Rangba Konrad ke Sangma ula jubab ek jingkeli bat jing ai jingmut jong Dr. Mukul Sangma ka sarkar kade ban pensyai shiki samla ki bawat kam ban tip kanu teli ki kam sarkar ki theli ki kam shipai ki don bat ki kam ki badon ha ki company shimen Menteri Rangba ula jubab da ka baong ka sarkar kalamat phang ya commission 8000 laipau ban lum jingtip ya baro ki kam ki balait bat ban penbena padba kini ki kam ki kenthop ya ki kam hakitana trekam ka sarkar bat haki company shimet ladakio ki company shimet kan kampli la de ki samla wat kam jubab UCM ya ka jingkeli u Dr. Mukul Sangma Unang alam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong bakalong ka badan kam ya ka sarkar ban silok bat pensya ya ki samla wat kam bakin tip ya ki jat kam bapher amtang haki kam sarkar henre haki tenat shipai bat ru wat haki kam haki company shimet ulaong kum kanuksa kindan kumba san pusau hajar teli ki kam bapher haka kam jingokai perthei ki bala ban mi Nangta ka sarkar ka plilat ki samla ban pentibit haki babun jat ki kam ki bayade bat ka shet ka tiu chef haki ne ki laisnem banwan
as it is a very important aspect and an aspect that is obviously linked with the youth of our state, I would like to take this opportunity to clarify some points on this. Sir, number one, in the past, there have been different kind of career programs that have taken place. And these happen at happened at different levels. Sometimes the deputy commissioner used to conduct a one-day counseling session. Sometimes a particular college or university or school used to conduct it. Sometimes a locality used to do it. And they used to seek support from the government. And as mentioned by Leader of Opposition, that some structure was targeted in the past. But we realized that it was not having the desired impact. And hence, we have, as correctly mentioned by the Leader of Opposition, we have structured this entire process now. And we have connected the skill development, or the MSSDS, and connected the skill training program, and wherever the training programs are being conducted, this is where these 34 career advisors have been placed. And as the skilling, or rather before the skilling takes place, these career advisors then talk to these youngsters who come in and understand what are their desires, what are the skills that they have. And as I said, these people have then now been under an umbrella program where an agency trains these 34 career advisors, and then they are placed in different parts of the state, in different training centers which are providing the skill development. And based on that, as I said, the career guidance is given to them. And as we move forward, so this is a structured approach which the Leader of Opposition was referring to. So we have come to that kind of a structure now. And now we are quite hopeful, sir, that we'll be able to expand this now at a much larger scale. Apart from that, so Honorable Minister had mentioned already in his reply, but I'll just repeat some of that, that while the MSSDS now has been treated as the nodal agency, which will now work towards providing the counseling in a structured manner through the skilling agencies, which would be private as well as some government. And that's how we'll move forward. But apart from that also, so we have many other levels at which training programs or counseling programs are happening. The Chief Minister's Youth Development Scheme, under that also many counseling programs are taking place. We have counseling programs that take place even under the Yes Meghalaya program, where different agencies are supporting in that. So apart from that also, as I said, we have unstructured or independent counseling programs that are taking place. But the structured one, which the Honorable
UMLA na Kharkuta Rupert Mumin Ulawanra daka 0-hour notice hayeng dorbar thawan halor ka jingja jongka we ka hebrid na Upper Raja Samla ka bahab Kharkuta Police Station ka bahadu menta 4 labdin trai satya. Halor kani usembut Menteri Rangba Katenat Kampo Yeng ba Prestun Tensong ula pentip ki pulit kila shimkhia bahaya kani ka kam bat kila sedang banwat keleng kijaka Mariayo jing pentip na ki bahayeng haka kharpra tarik naitung.
The Raja Samla village is very important because the American Baptist Mission started its mission on 1867, July 14. The architect of this mission was Dr. Miles Bronson. So on 18th of July 2025, a little girl, her name is Donkame Sangma, daughter of Dengsan Kemara, age about 6 years old. She went out to play with her friends to nearby place. That is, according to their statement, 1 p.m. And when the parents came back at around 3 p.m., she was not there at home. So relatives, neighbors, they start searching, but she was not there in that particular area. So they filed FIR missing a report to the Kharkuta police station, that is about 7 kilometers away from the village. After that, police, public, rescue team, dog squad, and the drone team, all of them, the search. As a local representative, I monitor for a week, but the little girl could not find anywhere. Sir, this incident is very peculiar in nature.
UMLA na nong krem ba adan mele basayaw moj ula kentu ya ka jing don kam ya ka dorbar ban tokit benya ban lap ya ka daw halor ka jing ring terkhong ki autonomous district council ki badon ha ka Jylla. Habawan ra ya ka ni ka mat ya tai ha ka short duration discussion ha yeng dorbar uba ardan ula keli. Ha today ka jing le hi jing ki district council ka ba penlong ya ki ban mat ya kini ki jing
to see the announcement of the state government to take over the payment of salary of the employees of the ADCs. It has triggered a serious debate and discussion among the people. The people are anxious to know what is the motive behind this move. When one looks on the face of it, one may consider it as a right step to help the employees. It won't be wrong to see it as an act of kindness to share the burden of the ADCs. However, sir, what we are going to discuss today is a pointer towards a bigger issue. So it is quite laughable that the government, which was not willing to release the share of the KHADC and which had manipulated to deprive the rights of MDCs representing urban constituencies. The government who had just recently said that it is not the duty of the government to help the ADCs when it comes to the problem of the employees in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. It is also very interesting to note that the state government is not keen all along to intervene the problem faced by the employees of the GHADC, Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, even after the completion of 44 months. So, moreover, the state government has not shown any interest to solve the problem faced by the urban constituencies of district councils. Perhaps
UMLA na mauring keneng ba HS Kharpran ulawan ra ahaying dorbar tauan ya ka jingkeli kabaya day berkasurok kaba Andrews Pak Mitar na mau sebut Happy Valley. Haba jubab halor kane usembut menteri rangba ba Preston Tensong ulaya thu ka sorkar menta kalawat lat ban snano da ka wei ka surok ka ban yat lat na ka kerdop ki sipai. Uya thu ru kane ka surok kan jalan kumbasau kilometer bat kan yat na mau sebut lengba ka maulen rei.
Not take up the repairing works. We used to also discuss with them. The same case happened with this clay yodo, we call it. It happens even with MES, where sometimes the government, the state government, take it up with the defense authority, and ultimately they consider for taking up the repairing work.
So do these army people have the legal documents to stick the clips?
Sir, as I have said, yes, they do have the proper land documents.
Will you please, sir, to lay in the table of the house, sir?
Sir, I think I've already replied. The documents is available, and the land document happens way back in 1937. And I think laying of the document is not that necessary, because why I'm saying that, sir, even from the government side, we had these challenges long time back, and we would like to resolve these issues. And my reply is very, very clear, Right now, sir, we already had a discussion even with the local authority, with the village Dorba, where we discussed with them if we have any alternative. And recently, I'm happy to inform the Honorable Member and the Zagas House, sir, recently even the village authority, jointly with our officers from the department, we already identified the stretch of alternative route which links to Maulanray, from Maushbuit to Maulanray, which is more or less their length is within 4 kilometers. The entire stretch of that length minus 300 meters again, which touches the defense land. Right now, sir, we are taking up this.
Kador bar shnong laj umkra harengkat ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board MSPCB haka khandai tarik Nailur 8,000 arpusan kila jurib ye kidukan dim bam ki badon hathan laj umkra hakani ka sngi la don lang kirang ba shnong ka laj umkra ba PS nong kendri ba TD merbo ba wanshan bor kharkrang Senior Environmental Engineer ka MSPCB bat kiwe. Haka jinglet jurip kala sedang haka khatpra tarik Nailur ya baro kidukan bam bat ki restoran. Haka ni ka jinglet jurip lalap badan kat tu kat ni kidukan ki pentu je ki jabo haka rukom ka bam biang satya. Bun kidukan kimdan ru ya ka effluent treatment plant ETP. Lalap ru ya kidukan ki bamdon ya ka certificate of consent na ka MSPCB. Kirang ba shnong ba PS nong kendri ba uba TD merbo kilaya thu hakinong tho Khubor. Nakaliang kador barsnong kala kentu yaki dukan ban penbiang yaki ETP kenang bakan wanra yaka kuat ke suba yaka mei mariang. Uba wan shanbor kharkrang ulaong kajing penlong yaka jing jurip kalong ban pej perman yaka kuat ke suba haki dukan de jing bam kenang ba kanum kata yaka kuat ke kia kinong bam. Nalor kata ula kenturu yaki wei kidor barsnong ban penlong kum kani kajing jurip nak benta kajing mentoy ki pat ba.
Kebeningkong suka pen semua pi ni kini ketika sen kebeningkong sen jam baka dor basong baikra bakala kene keti sa office rekam ni ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ha ka bi dei ban ya akan urkom ni pet perman kini ki jaka ki ba de jembam ki ba shed jingset lagi itri join sani polen kha ke jadi kejing temu ada apa tu gusti apa bunyi keren bre bi bakteri boy bre ba kejing temu golong ba kiru ki kwa ban songtho ba kini kerkom penia ya ka office jungi ha ka bi dei bikini ki restaurant ki jaka ki ba dia bam ki ba chef marbam ta ki pai ba ha ka menen ka singi ni la long ji kendo bang la sang ya tu fire brigade but kawai kwa ban ba nakaliang ke jong ke dorbar snong sim ye ni ke kabu bangan ai kuble ki nomor ba kani kalong ke iki ke ba ni nakaliang ke office na jukwa barabor ba kandon ke jing ya trelang apeng ki dorbar snong pat ki tnat rekam ni office ha ka bi dei ke koi ke suba pengpong ye ka jakabam ora ke juru ru ya ki rukom pen tu ki jaklia le ni rukom te perman ke jaklia ki bami ni ki Jakarta, iwan di beri banyak pam. Kawai kalong ba jingkut jing suba jing kasnong kathau. Pada kaju kaporu kalong de kajing singan namta ki pajba ki bawon man bam ki Jakarta. Te ngatrai nakalen pi pilasaki bagi don ki Jakarta bam ki ba tu ki ba ngatrai kan bo jingkli le ni kat penar tien ki beri ki beri ki nek ki Jakarta. Te kani kalong tang bangin ong bagin krokti nu non re ka Shillong hi namta jing kre la di hi namta ka jing khoj jing suba ka jing ko jikhia te kawai pat nakaliang ga office ng pollution control board man ki por hi la ju pmi lamba ki pathai Khubor ba kino ki
Badak itu ki Khubor ngla poi shaka bakut tarhadu bangin daya syambiang khublei shibon.